friends, are you ready for an amazing adventure? Today, we're going to build our very own cardboard rocket ship. It's super easy and so much fun. Look at what we have here. A big cardboard box, some colorful paper tape, and all my favorite crayons. We're going to turn these simple things into something out of this world. Let's get started. First up, we need to make the top of our rocket. This part is called the cone. Grab a piece of paper. I'm using this bright red one. We'll fold it into a pointy cone shape, just like an ice cream cone. Make sure it's nice and pointy so our rocket can fly super fast through the sky. A little bit of tape will hold it perfectly in place. See, easy peasy. Now our rocket has a nose. Next, it's time for the body of our rocket. This is where our big cardboard box comes in. We'll stand it up tall to make the main part, or the cylinder. Now, let's attach the cone we just made right on top. Use plenty of tape to make sure it's secure. Look at that, it's already starting to look like a real rocket ship, ready to zoom to the moon. Now for my favorite part, decorating. Let's make our rocket truly special. I'm going to use my crayons to draw some cool windows so our astronaut friends can see the stars. Let's add some shiny star stickers too. You can decorate your rocket however you want. Maybe you want to add stripes, dots, or even your name. Let your imagination run wild and make it the most colorful rocket in the galaxy. Wow, our rocket is ready for its first mission. Let's get inside and pretend we're brave astronauts exploring space. Are you buckled in? Great. It's time for the final countdown. Let's count down together from 10. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Whoosh. We're flying past the stars and planets. What an incredible journey. We built our own rocket and traveled through the cosmos. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Thanks for joining me on this creative adventure. Don't forget to like this video and follow for more fun projects. See you next time, Space Explorers.